Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am testing a new update from Higgsfield called Kling 2.6 audio. This update can create video, voice, and background ambience together in one generation. Let's check how it works. I'm opening Chrome and going to Higgsfield website. Just type Higgsfield on the search box. I'm typing Higgsfield, and in the search result you can see the official link on the top. Okay, this is the Higgsfield website. Okay, first let's go to the generate page. So I'll just scroll the card view horizontally. Here you can see unlimited Kling 2.6. This is the page we need to go. Okay, by clicking it, it came into the video generation page. So here I'll just say what all it can do. It generates video and voice and ambience together in one shot, and native audio generation. Here you can see audio feature, you can on and off. It has better motion and prompt accuracy. Here we can see a list of models, and it generates up to 1080 pixel. And here you can see it has different models for different resolutions too, and you can change the duration, and you can change the aspect ratio of the video. So now I'm going to put some few prompts to see how it works. Xfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for everyone who subscribed to Ultimate Plus plan before December 12th. So I'm enabling the Ultimate option, so it creates the video much faster. For the first test, I'm using a prompt like this: a man walking in a futuristic neon city at night. We can add a light rain and cinematic camera and ambience, and we can make him to speak a line of voice to check how it works. Okay, so based on this prompt we will get rain sound and the environment sound and a voice from the person. So let's click the generate button. So it has too many sounds, so let's wait for a few seconds and see how the output comes. Okay, the video got generated. Let's click on play.
This city never sleeps. This city never sleeps. This city never sleeps. This city
It was generated in 1080 pixel. Let's open the video in new tab and check how the quality is.
This city never sleeps.
The quality is much better.
This city never sleeps.
Okay, you can see the man walking, and you can see here the ambience and matches the scene. The sound is fully auto generated. Okay, let's try a different prompt. A friendly robot explaining how solar panel work. How solar panel work with clear voiceover. Okay, this kind of clip helpful for tutorials and educational videos because the narration comes automatically. Okay, now let's click on generate button. Now it started. So in right side panel we see in queue with the video, and when I scroll down, the previous video was below. So it's working like a chat. Let's wait for a few seconds and let's see how the output comes. Okay, here we can see a play button. So let's tap on play.
Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity through photovoltaic cells. This clean energy helps power homes and reduces carbon footprint. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity through photovoltaic cells. This clean energy helps power homes and reduces carbon footprint. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity through photovoltaic.
Okay, we can able to see the robot is speaking, the mouth movement, and we can hear the audio too. Okay, now let's try a funny prompt. Hulk running on top of a train like a Subway Surfer scene. Okay, let's type Hulk running above the train and escaping the police following him to catch, like Subway Surfers game. Yeah, okay, let's try this prompt. This time we add a 10-second video, so let's click on generate and wait for few seconds. Okay, the video got loaded, so let's play it.
Can't catch me!
Stop right there!
Can't catch me!
Stop right there!
Okay, it works really good. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for everyone who subscriber to unlimited plan before December 12th. So grab the 67% offer before December 12th. Kling 2.6 audio is good for certain use cases like content creators, short video and explainers, filmmakers. All the prompts I used in this video is available in the description. Please check it out.